Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Now today I shall be unboxing the Redmi 5 from Xiaomi. I shall be, taking a look at what comes inside the box and doing a quick hands-on. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now a huge shout out to Xiaomi for sending this over. I was actually at Tesco yesterday and I received a call and they were like, yeah, do you want to review this? I was like, yeah. They were like, yeah, we'll come meet you there. So thank you so much for the effort. And secondly, this is the 32GB storage, 3GB RAM variant. Before I talk too much, let's get started with this unboxing. Now the box comes in the traditional Xiaomi orange with Redmi 5 on the front. On the back, there's a quick overview of the specifications, such as a 5.7 HD full screen display, LED front flash and more. On getting into the box, and there are quite a few things to get through. First off is a charger, a cable, micro USB cable. Really, Xiaomi, really? Micro USB, this is 2018. There is also a user manual, a black TPU case, that is new, for protection, as well as the phone itself. Now taking a closer look at the Redmi 5, and on the front is a 5.7-inch HD display, not full HD. That is 720p. Up front is a 5-megapixel camera with a front LED flash. On the right side, there's the volume and power buttons. On the bottom of the phone is a micro USB port, flanked by ports for the speakers and a microphone. And on the top is a 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, and IR blaster. Going on to the back is a fingerprint scanner, as well as a 12-megapixel f2.2 camera, as well as a LED flash. Now the Redmi 5 has decent specifications and the sides actually feels nice to grip. It runs MIUI 9 here, which is no surprise considering this is a Xiaomi device, and it also has a full view display, although it is 720p. And that has been the quick unboxing and quick hands-on of the, I think the screen is still right here, of the Redmi 5 here from Xiaomi, which is a full view phone. What videos would you like to see me make about this device? Would you like me to compare it to something like the Max Plus M1 from Asus, for example, or gaming test, or just any tests basically? Let me know in the comment section down there below. And I know, yes, I've been AWOL, I've been so packed with a lot of stuff, and even making this video took like a lot of effort, which I don't know why it did, because this is a pretty standard video. But yes, I am definitely developing some new formats with the theme. Oh my god, English. Anyways, yeah, so you guys should definitely be watching out for some new projects we will be working on. So Kawaii Man, aka Taufik, and Ben are working on some new projects. I'm giving them like full autonomy. And well, before rounding up this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for Xiaomi for sending this over, and I hope you're taking care of yourself. I've been trying to take care of myself too. I've been watching my diet, I've been trying to exercise, and I've just been trying to keep a good headspace, even though I'm like literally dying in like final year project right now, which if you're in university or you've been in university, you know how hard final year project is, and shit, that shit is hard, yo. Anyways, that's basically been it. I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person tomorrow. I have a what do you call it, Q&A, so I shall be posting in the community today, so please leave your questions maybe on this video or most probably on the community post. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me rant, and I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. I love you and I care for you. Bye.